welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I've already made Barbie and Ken in my previous videos and they were handmade. So today I'm making her little sister Chelsea and it was on your request, so let's get started. So as you can see over here, I'll just take newspaper and it's the basic best out of waste craft you can make, and I'll just stick it over here and make the stripes, and I'll just keep on folding it. While I do so, I'll just keep on sticking it as well, and then I'll fold it over here. As you can see, this is how I'll fold it and then stick the corners. Okay, so once that is done, I'll take this part and then cut it out into a triangle shape. Then I'll start making a coiling. So this doll I'm making without craft wire. So it's very easy. You don't have to insert craft wire in between. You can just make some coilings. Once you're done making these, you'll just make some holes and then you can stick it over here on the base. Okay, so once the legs are done, now I'll cut these sides from the top and then I'll make some holes over here as well on the both sides. Okay, so once the hands and the legs are now done, now what I'll do is that I'll make another coiling out of newspaper, and once that is done, I'll take some newspaper, crush it out into a circle. So this way we'll make the Chelsea's face, and it's very easy to make. You can just attach those coilings along with it. Once the base is done, now what you can do is that you can start applying some paper clay onto the face. And just use your fingers to smooth out the face. So guys, it's very easy doll. It's handmade also. It's just the way you can make at your home. So that's why I'm showing you that you don't have to give any proper detailing to the face. You can do it with the paint. You just have to keep the face plain and put some paper clay on the ears and the nose so that it will give you that 3D look. Otherwise, all the else things can be done by paint. Once that is done, I'll stick these paper clay over here on the feet as well to make the shoes. Then these are some white card paper cut out for the hands, and I'll just cut the fingers, fold it a little bit and then stick it to the coiling. So guys, once it's nice and dry, as you can see, it's movable over here. Now what I'll do is that I'll stick it to the body. Once it's done, as you can see, nose and the face is basically moving. The hands and the legs can be folded too because it's made only with paper. Now what I'll do is that I'll start painting the doll body, and for that I'm using acrylic paints. It's in the shade skin color. Once that is done, I'll start painting the face. It's very tiny, but you can just make it anyhow you want. So once the face is now painted, as you can see, I'm starting with the Chelsea's dress. So for that, I'm using this red color frock over here. Once I'm done doing that, as you can see, this is another red colored fabric which has some white polka dots on it. I'll just take some cutouts and make this frock over here basically. So this is the kind of cutout I get. You can use any kind of fabric, any prints, it's okay, it's fine with me. Then what you have to do is that you have to just sew it a little and make the ruffles. Then just take your needle and thread and tie a knot on the back so that it holds its place. Once that is done, let's make the sleeves. So for that, again, I'm using those poofy sleeves because she's a very tiny and cute kid. So I'll just make a ruffle and stick it all over the shoulder. So once I'm done doing it on both the sides, I'll just put these gems over here just to give that button look. Then I'll paint her shoes into the red color and put these glitter foam sheet cutout over here. Once that is done, I'm taking a real Barbie doll hairs, and what I'll do is that I'll just make a bow out of it and put some glue on the side so that it stays in its place. Then over here I'll just take a middle parting and make two ponies with some red ribbons because Chelsea has two ponies and she looks very cute in that. So guys, this is it. This is how my Chelsea doll looks. She is super cute and adorable. Now what I have is that I have Ken, I have Barbie, and I have Chelsea in my Barbie doll collection. So guys, this was on your request. You guys were requesting me so much to make a Chelsea doll, and that too handmade. So I decided that this is the day today I'm gonna make and show it to you guys. So if you guys like this video, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.